Please put your microphone on. Get your hands together for our champion of today, Gokula. Fastest theory and
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Well done.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations!
Big congrats to you.
I'm so happy for you.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's joking. Gokula, where are you? Speak up.
I'm here, Ambrish.
All right, just a second. Let me position you right now. Evelyn, put your mic off. Okay. Hey, Gokula, tell us, tell us how you're feeling. You tell us the whole journey. Tell us the whole journey because tell us when you started joining, when before you decided joining, and you're doing your progress and whatever. You can speak up, speak freely.
Yeah, I'm very happy, and I would like to thank all of you for congratulating. I would like to thank Mr. Ambrish for all his efforts for guiding through this whole process here. I nearly started in April for the class, and it took 1 to 2 months of break, and then again I started and had my exams today, and I was able to clear it. It's all because of Ambrish. If Ambrish tells you to take 5 steps, don't stop at 5 steps. Take a step forward. So by your effort, so that you could pass early than me. And always make sure that you do what Mr. Ambrish says. The perfect things. He always says you are the champions. So champions are never supposed to lose or give up. So always we are Ambrish's champions. So it's a good thing to be in the class and to be with all of you.
Thank you, Gokula. You've been missing also the last days. They didn't see you. That's why they didn't know who Gokula is.
Suppose I was busy with my office work, and still now I'm in office doing the things.
Okay.
So I was not able to attend for the last, I think, for 1 month. But I was practicing every day.
And I don't know. Do you have my app also? You didn't? You don't have the app?
No, I didn't get the app.
Okay, no problem. No, but you've done very good. Gokula, very proud of you. You've done a very good job. Congratulations. Make sure you tell all your friends about us. And remember one thing. I told you that you'll pass, and you passed, and everybody can see that. Now, even for the practical lessons, just when you have to give your practical exams, which was not my promise, but call me 4 days before. I will give you the material and we'll go through it. And 2 hours before your test, if you need my help, I will prepare you. Okay.
Okay.
Wish you all the best. Thanks a lot. You made us very, very happy. God bless you.
Thank you.